Hello everyone, in this new demo we are going to see how to use LoRa to communicate saving energy, and we are going to test the code we wrote on real hardware on the IoT-Lab testbed facility. Before to start, I will show you my personal The Things Network application configuration. The application name is mstat, and the installed devices are stat1 and stat2, representing the environmental station. By clicking on them, we can obtain the keys to join LoRa with over-the-air authentication. Now we access the IoT-Lab front-end machine at Saklai, and we build our code and then we flash it onto two boards after we reserve them. In order to properly show the data with Apache Superset Analytics, we need to also run the Things Network Gateway so that data are forwarded to AWS IoT Core, and also we will run a consumer that stores data into a MySQL database as explained in the previous articles. We can check if the simulation is working by checking the topics we are publishing to onto the AWS test dashboard, and also by querying the SQLite table. Now that we are sure that everything is working properly, we just log in into the Apache Superset dashboard and we can visualize the data as we always did.